Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Najwa, F2047.
My name is Nur Shahira, F2049. Today we would like to show how to change the shower head.
Firstly, a ladder is used to reach the shower head. Climb ladder carefully, it's slippery in the bathroom.
Secondly, the shower head is turned anti-clockwise to uninstall it.
Thirdly, track seal tape is a wrap around the shower head track. To ensure a good seal, wrap the tape in the direction of the track.
Next, the shower head reinstalled by turning it clockwise. Take extra care when reinstalling the shower head. You might damage the thread.
Finally, the stopcock is rotated clockwise to test shower head and leakage. So that's all from us. Thank you.